keeping this simple. And once they're dry, I'm going to varnish them with just some normal clear varnish. And that's it, we're done. All you need now is your pink wig and your lollipop, and you're ready to become 02. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more crafty and cosplay videos, please subscribe and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Until then, bye bye!